Hello everyone. Today I'm making miso soup with grilled eggplant and also some onion. Today I am using this long eggplant. We call it naganasu. We often use short eggplant, but today I got this very nice eggplant from farmer, so I'm using this long one. First, I'm gonna take out this hard part of eggplant that you cannot eat. I really didn't like miso soup with eggplant before. Many recipe will just add sliced eggplant into miso soup, but what I'm going to do today will make the miso soup with eggplant much better, for my opinion. I'm going to use this aluminum foil. We call it alumihoiru to grill the eggplant until they are very soft and almost like creamy. Onions, I will just cut them into like 1 centimeter slice. Onion will add some texture and sweetness to the miso soup. Now I'm going to show you how I will grill the eggplant. Under the stove, we have this grill. We use this to grill the fish mainly. And today I'm going to use this to grill the eggplant. I will cook them for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make a dashi stock using this dashi stock powder, which is made with dried frying fish, dried sardine, dried kelp, and dried bonito, and salt. And this is additive free. It takes only a few minutes for dash to be ready. Add onion. I use rice miso. We call it kome miso for today's miso soup. And if you're interested in miso, different types of miso that we use, please check the link. I explain it more. Take out any foam that come out on the surface. Taking them out will make the soup clear and clean taste. And take out the dashi stock powder. Dashi is ready. I check the eggplant. I think it's ready. So it's almost like steamed. It's very hot inside. And it's very soft and it's almost like melted, so it's very creamy as well. I'm gonna take out the skins. So you know tempura, right? And one of the tempura that I like is eggplant tempura. When you deep fry eggplant, it inside becomes like same. It's very juicy, very soft, and like almost melted. Outside is so crunchy and it's very good. I sliced the eggplant into like 1 bite size and added into miso soup. And I'm gonna take out some of the dashi into miso, and I'm gonna dissolve the miso beforehand. Doing so, you can avoid tasting the chunk of miso in miso soup. Also, it's easy to control saltiness of miso soup when you add this dense miso dashi into miso soup a little by little. For me, I know how much I need to put, so I add everything. But if you're not used to making miso soup, you should add a little by little. Otherwise, it becomes too salty. For garnish, I add some scallion, green onion on top of it. And they are done. So remember, you should never boil the miso soup. If the temperature of miso soup exceeds more than 90 degrees, the aroma of miso will reduce very fast. So never boil. If you see little steam coming out from miso soup, they're ready to go. Never boil, okay? This is the common mistake even Japanese people make when we make a miso soup. Looks good. Okay, this is the miso soup with eggplant. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you give a try to make a miso soup. Miso soup is very good for you. And if you have access to the miso and some dashi, and I hope you make it. You can add any vegetables you like. You can add fish. You can add other seafood. You can add pork. You can add chicken. You can add mutton. Whatever you want. Okay, give a try. And let me know if you have any questions. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.